Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'll be sharing to you my trip here in Quezon City because I'll be attending a seminar representing Bagsubay Jansan. So if you're interested about this video, then just keep on watching.
else, welcome you to my left. Time now is 11:13 in the morning.
And finally, I'm here sa room, and I'll be staying here for 5 nights with CJ Cliff. So, Cliff will be going here tomorrow ang flight niya, and mas nauna ako because I'll be attending the conference tomorrow. Mas mauna ako. Outfit check. So it's currently 3 p.m. here, and I arrived at Naiya kanina pang 11:10, and ayun, since i-check-in ko yung baggage ko, napakatagal bago niya dumating. I think kumantayan pa ako ng around 30 to 40 minutes bago dumating yung luggage ko. Tingnan ko dito sa Luxon Hotel around 2 o'clock. But now is 3 o'clock. Ayun, ganun katagal kasi they made amendments pa sa aming booking reservations. Cliff will be flying in Manila tomorrow. Yun lang, nauna lang talaga ako dito kasi I'll be attending a separate conference muna bago yung same na event na kasabay kami. Ayan siya. So, siguro I'll be touring you around the room to let you see kung ano yung stayan ko for 5 nights here. And after here is magkakaroon naman kami na separate na naman na tulugan Cliff, which is I booked sa Klook after pension na event. Ayan. So as you can see here, malaki siya na room kasi nga ayun, I'll be staying with Cliff. So pagpasok ko sa door, ang unang-unang mo makikita is itong closet. Ayan siya. So as usual, may safe, merong mga essentials dyan, like slippers, may mga hangers na available. And then, here's my luggage, guys. Kasi matagal pa dito mag-stay sa Manila. Ayan siya. Tapos, dito naman sa side, katabi ng ng closet is, merong area dito para kung mag-prepare ka ng food, you can place it here. And then, dito naman sa side is, meron ditong included na dito is yung heater, tapos meron silang ref over here, tapos storage, another storage, tapos meron na din silang mga cup, and yeah, tapos in front of these this table is merong big mirror, ayan, para sa OOTD, ayan, fit check. Paano ba? Ayan. Basta yan siya. And then, katabi ng mirror is yung na mismo, yung CR. Ayan. So for the comfort room, mayroon sa ditong shower, And then, merong mirror here. Tapos, ayan, toilet. And may telephone. And then, paglabas mo naman dito, meron siyang sariling television. And then, wait lang, medyo nakalat ko na yun dito kasi kanina pa ako nakarating here. So, ayan. Meron dito silang table, working table. Tapos, here's the overlooking view, which is makita ko later. So, meron dalawang beds here. Pero, isa lang yung gamitin namin ni Cliff. Kasi, ayun, mga ano pa bed. Tapos, beside the bed, meron sila dito parang ano yan siya? Bedside table na pwede mong patungan ng mga cellphone and etc. And then, to show you what it looks like here sa overlooking view. So, ayan siya. I'm staying sa Luxant Hotel. So, as you can see here, nandito yung Scout Memorial Circle. Tapos, ayan, meron ditong mga kainan. So, ayun, ito siya, yan is yung Japanese izakaya restaurant. Tapos, what else? Ito siya, yan. So, yan naman siya is yung Myeongdon. So, siguro I'll try to eat there. So, mamaya pala, I'll be meeting Ate Tala, one of our members din sa Bagsubay Jansan. So, iba naman yung kanyang conference sa pupuntahan, which is yung sa Lesbian Congress. And then, aantayin ko siya kasi ang flight niya daw is around 4 pa. Tapos, ang check-in niya is by 6. So, pagdating niya dito, I think matatagalan pa siya kasi medyo malayo talaga yung naiya dito sa Luxant Hotel sa Quezon City. So, antayin ko pa siya. So, while waiting, siguro I'll be reviewing some notes lang para in preparation sa event. Tapos, after that is I'll be roaming around. I'm planning to go sa PBB house kasi parang malapit lang siya dito talaga sa Luxant Hotel. Like, a few streets siguro or like, blocks? A few blocks away, like around 4 blocks away lang siya. So yeah, I'm planning to go there. Pero para at least tomorrow pagdating ni Cliff is that matutour ko na lang siya ganon para sabihin na ano na ako dito, resident. Okay. Ayan siya. So other than that, actually meron pa akong OJT right now, but thankfully sa Save the Children, they allowed me to leave for quite a few days to attend this, and happy naman sila when they heard na i-represent ko yung Bagsubay Jansan dito sa parang nationwide na conference nila. So much for my speech. So I'll be showing to you later if saan ako pupunta and so pabalak mag-roam around here kasi tomorrow mag-start na officially yung event ko. Ayan siya. So I'll be back. Hey guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-rest kasi napagod ako sa flight and nag-talk din kami ni Mami for a while. And since tapos na din tumila na yung ulan, pwede na tayong maglataga. So, I'm going to prep lang muna now, mag-makeup. And then, I'm going to try if mapuntahan ko yung ABS-CBN na PBB house. Okay guys, so maglilibot-libot na ako around the area ng Luxant. And yun na nga, ang goal ko is to go to PBB kung makita mo talaga siya. And I'm going to find some food na din as well as buy some toiletries kasi limited lang yung available dito sa hotel. So, ayan siya. I'll let you see my trip for today. Bye! So apparently, PBB is just 4 blocks away from my hotel. So I'm trying to locate it now. So
I think what I'm looking at right now is ABS-CBN. Not that sure, pero I'm going to figure this out when I get closer na. Okay, so pumunta ako kanina sa ABS pero hindi ako nagtagal kasi babalik naman kami doon ni Clip. So I'm going to here at Marketplace. Kailangan ko ng toiletries and some snacks. God, sabi ko ang bilihin ko essentials. Bakit pagkain na itong bibili ko? Bush essentials daw. So I'm done buying my paunang mga essentials for this trip. So the rest will be bought tomorrow. Okay. And now wait ko na sa tatawla para mag-eat kami.
Hey guys, so finally I'm back here sa aking room. So after ko nag-visit doon sa PBB kasi I just wanna look at surroundings ng hotel para tomorrow pag nandiyan si Cliff, mas madali ko siya ma-tour around. So after that, nag-look lang din ako sa some parts ng ABS. Tapos after that is nag-buy na ako ng mga groceries sa the marketplace. Ayan siya. So konti lang ito siya kasi provided naman din ng the rest ng mga need ko here sa hotel. So nagbili lang ako ng few na pwede kong consume na food. And ayun, change perspective, ganon. Okay, so first I have here Coke na ilan ba to? 1.5 liter. And then nagbili din ako ng dalawang cup noodles in case gutumin ako kagabi. And then I also po Dio kasi wala ko yan. And then itong what do you call this? Banana flavored milk, and meron din siyang coffee. So ayan lang sila. Tapos I also have yan karandom honey essence mask sheet. Tapos I also have Colgate na mouthwash. Tapos dalawang Swiss Miss and Impress. So yun lang. ASMR.